Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to teach you what is a noun and their types. Okay, nouns type. Let's get started. In this video, we are going to see what is nouns, what is the types of noun, common nouns, proper nouns, collective nouns, abstract noun, compound nouns, and material nouns. So, first of all, what is a noun? A noun is a person, place, thing, animal, or an idea. Okay, so it can be the name of a person, or place, or animals, or things, or an abstract idea. So, a person, okay, that means girl, Mary, all these are some examples for noun, okay, in person. And what about animals? You all know, right? Elephant, giraffe, dog, cat. Okay. And what about place? America, Australia, India. Okay. So all these are coming under place. Things. Okay. What about things? Bench, chair, eraser. Okay. So all these are things. Abstract idea. Okay. So love, education. Okay. Brotherhood, friendship. All these are some examples for abstract noun. Okay. So this noun can be come as a subject in a sentence, okay, or it can come as an object in a sentence, or it can come as an object of a preposition. Okay, yes. So let's see the types of noun. In this video, we are going to concentrate on these 5 types of nouns. First one is common noun, second is proper, collective, abstract, and material noun. First, let's see what is common noun. Okay, common noun, that means the name in general. Okay, so it will not give a specific name. Okay, it will give general idea. Okay, for example, teacher. Okay, here we are not specifying any single person. Okay, teacher is a common noun. Okay, baseball. Okay, baseball is another common noun. City. Okay, city is another common noun. Okay, so common noun, that means it is not very specific. Okay, general things are called as common nouns. Okay, so you should not write common nouns in capital letter unless and until it comes at the beginning of the sentence. Okay, so if it comes at the beginning of the sentence, you have to write it in uh, uppercase, or else you have to write it in lowercase. Yes. So, what is the difference between common noun and proper noun? As I told earlier, common noun or general things, proper noun or specific things. Okay. For example, lady. Look at here, lady. Lady is a common noun. Okay. We can call a lot of girls as ladies, isn't it? Yes. But proper noun. Look at here, Helen. Okay, it is only one person. We are more specific here. So it is a proper noun. And month is a common noun. Okay, January is another proper noun. Okay, so we have 12 months in a year. Okay, so it is common noun, month. We don't know what month is that. Okay, but here it is more specific, January. Okay, so it is proper noun. Look at here, day. Again, day is a common noun. We don't know what day it is, Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday. Okay, here Monday is a proper noun here because it is very specific. Country. Okay, country is a common noun. Japan. It is proper noun. Japan or India or America. Okay, ocean. It is a common noun. Pacific Ocean. Here it is proper noun. Okay, so I hope it's clear for you. So let's move on to the next type. Collective noun. Okay, so what is collective noun? Collective nouns, okay, these are only one word. Okay, so it is a word, but it names group of person, okay, or animal or thing. Look at here, an army of soldier. Okay, soldier means only one soldier. An army of soldier means it is group of people. Okay, it is talking about the group of people, army of soldiers. So it is collective noun. Okay, army is a collective noun. A team of ducks. Okay, so here it is talking about this whole group of ducks. Okay, that is animals. A team, so team is a collective noun. a bunch of keys. Okay, here it is not only one key. Okay, it is group of keys, so it is called as bunch. So bunch is a collective noun. Okay, let's move on to the next type, that is abstract noun. Okay, one specific thing about abstract noun is you cannot see or touch this noun. Okay, so you cannot see an abstract noun or you cannot touch an abstract noun, but you can feel this. Okay, for example, friendship. Okay, friendship is an example of abstract noun. Okay, so can you see friendship? No, isn't it? Can you touch friendship? No. Okay, but you can feel that friendship between your friend and you, isn't it? So that is abstract noun. Childhood. Okay, and brotherhood. Okay, leadership. All these are some abstract nouns. Love. Okay, so all these are some abstract nouns. So next one is compound noun. Okay, so these are single noun. Okay, two single words combined together to form a compound noun. Okay, so look at here, see is a noun and food is another noun. These two nouns combined together to form compound nouns, that is seafood. See plus food, seafood. Okay, so this compound noun, sometimes it can come with a space like ice cream, swimming pool. It is also a compound word. It is coming with space. Okay, bus stop, living room. Sometimes this compound noun will come without space like classmate. Okay, greenhouse, grasshopper, lifespan. Okay, and in some other places, okay, in some other cases, this compound noun will come with hyphen. Okay, like mother-in-law. Okay, dry cleaning. Okay, dry hyphen cleaning. Self confidence, merry-go-round. Okay, so there is nothing wrong. Okay, in compound word, in compound nouns, you can write, in some places you have to write it with space, and in some places you have to write it without space, and in some places you have to write it with hyphen. And then finally, material noun. Okay, so material noun, it is nothing but a substance or a material or an ingredient which we can see or touch. Okay, so here you can see this material noun, or you can touch, and you can use these materials to make some things. Okay, some useful things. For example, gold. Okay, we can use gold to make jewels. Okay, coal, like that we can take petrol from coal. And wheat. Okay, so wheat, we can use this to make a lot of dishes. Rubber. Okay, so all these are material noun. Okay, so material noun usually, it is uncountable noun. For example, this window is made of glass. Here, glass is material noun. You cannot count that, isn't it? So, material noun, usually it is uncountable noun. Okay. So, when we talk about material noun, we have to remember this thing. Okay, so a material noun become a common noun if there is an article before it. Okay, so you all know what are articles, right? A, an, and the. Okay, these are articles. If you have any articles in front of material noun, you have to consider it as common noun. Okay, or the noun is in plural. Okay, for example, glasses. If the noun, if the material noun is in plural, you have to consider it as a common noun. Okay, so it is, you should not consider it as material noun. Okay, that's all in this video, children. In this video, we learned about what is a noun and its types. Okay, so common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, material noun, and compound noun, material noun, and collective noun. So I hope you can understand this noun well. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.